It's a hot one today.
It's been a long week.
It has been.
It's not quite over.
Nope.
Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
And we have a really short show for you today. We're going to talk about
The five.
we're going to talk about the 500 subscriber giveaway.
Right.
We've looked at a lot of different giveaways that different people have done, and we're going to do something a couple of people have done, but we think it makes a whole lot of sense because we have viewers all over the world.
Right. And one of the problems we've seen a lot of times is people will give away physical items and they'll say, well, it can only be in the U.S. because we don't want to pay the postage. I ship overseas all the time for my business, so I know about what the postage is, and we don't do giveaways all that often. We're not sending a car. Wish we could, but I mean, it's not that heavy.
No.
So, but we decided we would definitely do something. We're going to do two things. First thing we're going to do is, I'm going to let Henry tell you that one, but that one's for anyone, anywhere in the world.
Right.
And then we're going to do something different. And that one is also for anyone, anywhere in the world.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to give away a $50 Amazon gift card.
Right.
To whoever wins this giveaway. Now, the rules for this are very, very simple. You have to like this video. You have to comment on this video and say you're interested in the giveaway. We're going to open the contest up today as soon as this video posts.
And don't forget to subscribe too. That's also part of it.
It is. What we're going to do is take everybody's comments from this video, and we'll use a random selection program to choose one of the people who have commented on this video.
Mm-hmm.
And that person is going to get a $50 Amazon gift card.
Right.
It's not terribly expensive for us to send it via post, so wherever you are in the world, please consider entering.
Right. And then we came up with something else that I thought was kind of a nice touch.
Well, actually, Irene came up with it.
Well, I remember very much when I was a new gardener being a bit overwhelmed trying to figure out when I should plant things, how I should plant things, and all that other sort of stuff. So I'm not going to tell you what we're going to give away, but if you are a beginning gardener,
you'll like it.
What you have to do is in your comment, you have to say beginner.
Oh, by the way, you can get an entry into the beginner's prize, but you're still entered in for the $50 gift certificate.
But if you are a beginner and you would like what we call a beginner's prize, something that would be handy if you're starting out as a gardener, be sure to put beginner in your comment and you'll be entered automatically in both contest. Well, they're not contests. In both giveaways, both for the $50 gift card and for the beginner. So if you're a beginner, please make sure, because I would have loved to have had one of these things when I was a beginner.
I would have too, but I was pretty young when I was a beginner.
Yeah, me too. But when I got serious, I mean, I was a beginner when I was a little bitty kid, but I wasn't me who was controlling the situation, choosing the veggies or anything else. Once you're a grown-up, you get to choose your own veggies.
Well, in theory.
In theory.
We want to thank everybody who subscribed to our channel. We reached 500 viewers. We reached 500 subscribers a little over a week ago, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
And that was just fantastic. So we want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing and for watching our videos. It's really, really rewarding to us to have people say things and ask questions about what we're doing.
Well, it's nice to know that there's actually someone out there besides our grandkids. Our grandson is a subscriber. And when he thought it was pretty cool that he had a grandma and grandpa that do YouTube.
Well, thanks very much for watching today. Good luck to everybody who enters. We wish you all a really good day, a fantastic week, an incredible weekend, and the best of luck on this giveaway.
Right. So be safe. Take care. Bye.
Bye.